Hi, everyone. Hope everyone's doing well. I really do miss everyone. I know this has been a little different, but today we're going to do topic 13.3. So I gave you a Quizlet that I wanted you to try before you do the lesson. And I have it up on my screen. So I know you guys are all familiar with Quizlet, but these are all words that we need to know for topic 13. So numerical expression. Um, Numerical expression is a math sentence that doesn't have the equal sign. That's kind of what you've been working with now. And then an expression is basically the same thing without the numbers, and so on. Operation, adding, subtracting, um, multiplying, dividing. But anyways, try to do the Quizlet first before you do the lesson. And then I assigned a video for 13.3, so try that. And I just want to go over a couple of problems for today's lesson. So it says write a numerical expression, and that's why you had to know that there's a lot of vocabulary in this, and that's why I wanted you to do the Quizlet first. So an expression is basically a math sentence. So these are going to look like what you did with please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So multiply 19, 5, and 27, and then subtract 15. So what you have to do is you have to do the operations in the parentheses first. So we would do parentheses, and so it's shift 9. And then you would say, what do we have to do? Multiply 19, 5, and 27. So 19. And then you have to use these down here. I don't know if there's a parentheses. We might have to look. Let's see if there's parentheses. Because if there is, we have to use the parentheses down here. So I don't see anything right now, but we'll have to play around with it. So 19, and then times multiplication, and then 5, and then multiplication again. Sorry, it's running slow because of the Google Meet. And then you would multiply it by 27. So 19 times 5 times, use the multiplication sign down here, which is right here, and then 27. I think I need to get rid of this space here sometimes. And now I need another parentheses, right? Parentheses, and then, so we're going to multiply those numbers first and then subtract. So we're going to put parentheses around to tell me to do that first, and then subtract 15. Let's see if that's right. Now, if you get it wrong, it might just be because of putting extra spacing or not using the tools below. So no worries, just try it again, right? Okay, so let's try another problem. All right, so we're write a numerical expression for the calculation. So again, we have to, it didn't even say solve it, right? Or evaluate. We just have to write the math sentence. So add 12 and 6/10 and 7/10, and then divide by 3/10. Remember that period at the end is just a period, not another decimal. So we have to do something first, which means that we need to put parentheses. So parentheses, we're going to add 12.6. We got to use the addition sign down here, plus, and then 7/10, end in parentheses, and then divide. So we can look for the division sign down here. Divide 0.3. We're going to add this first, and then we would divide. And it says do not perform the calculation, so you don't even have to solve it. So let's see if we got it right. All right, good, we did. Whew, that would be embarrassing, wouldn't it? All right, next problem. We'll try one more. Ooh, a fraction. Okay, no problem. We got this. Write a numerical expression for the calculation. So again, a math sentence. Subtract 11 1/3 from the product. So again, that's why I had you do the Quizlet, because you need to know what product is. And we know product is the answer to a multiplication problem. So I'm going to do the multiplication problem first. So we're going to need a fraction. We'll do parentheses, and we're going to need a fraction. Do that one. 7/8 times, whoops. Okay, so now we just do enter. Whoops, I marked it wrong. Oh, geez. That's okay. I'll try it again. Okay, so 7/8. Now I got to get out of here. I'm going to put a times, just one, times 160 and the parentheses. So the product of, so that means multiplication, and then subtract an 11/1/3 from this. So now we use the subtraction sign, and now we have to look for the mixed number. 11/1/3. All right, let's see if we did it right now. All right, we're good. Okay, so I want you to try a few of these on lesson 13.3 on your practice buddy on Pearson. I'm sorry, it's not a practice buddy, it's independent practice on Pearson. On Thursday, you're going to do some MobiMax practice. You just log in with your lunch number, watch the video. And if you have any questions, you can always join a Google Meet. I have a little trick question for you. So I know that you watched the entire video here. So if you watch the entire video, I want you to type in an expression, an example of a numerical expression in the comment area on Google Classroom, and I'll add 5 extra points to your assignment today. Okay, so I want to check that, make sure that you're watching the video. So if you watch the video, under the comments for this assignment, give me an example of a numerical expression. You don't even have to solve it. And I'll give you 5 extra points on your homework. All right, thanks guys for being good listeners. Good luck, and I'll see you soon. Bye.